how to put a text with an image in it. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to do text and write a text over here. Let's say I'm going to go with a text of sorrow. This is the sorrow text. I am going to select the text that I want, or the text with the maximum weight in it, so that you can be easily able to see what I am showing. So I am going to shrink this text size to, let's say, whatever I want, this one, by selecting this first, and thus I am going to hit this to a 0. So it is this one text. So these are the options. So as I say, I am going to make this one hollow, or make this one put into the image. So I am going to put the image above the text. As I go to the image above the text, then I'm going to go and create a clipping mask, and then you can see the sorrow has all the text in it that is behind this layer. This is how you can make a clipping mask with the text. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.